Good morning, people of Tomorrowland. Today, please and welcome. Join us on this unforgettable journey of... Yeah. See, that's the time we should be waking up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Been trying to.
Not 9 o'clock at night, okay? See, this is beautiful. This is my way of living. Be up at 4 o'clock in the morning, you know.
It's 8
5 o'clock go gym. No, I'm talking how I do things back at home. If you know what I mean, my Telašćica.
These rocks.
Rocks, yeah, not your legs, eh? These rocks, yeah. Okay, so the agenda for today is to jump on the boat, and that's it. And the boat will take us places. So excited to see what today is gonna be all about. And the main question is, are you?
Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor, un partigiano, portami via. Oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, 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 partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire.
Well, a video update. We just stopped on the first island, which is called
No idea.
Croatia.
That's the name of the whole national park.
Okay, what is it called?
Sonati.
Kanabi. Anyways,
Damn.
and the situation here
There's like
is
6 day trip boats parked up next to each other.
and that's like those memes on internet where it goes Instagram reality.
Yeah.
Well, there's no Instagram, there's just reality in front of us. You
And the
know,
rocks are really pointy to
Rocky.
walk on. Yeah, the rocks are rocky.
but here's the view.
Thank God we're only here for like an hour.
Jesus, that's busier than that
sharp.
Zlatni rat and ball.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
It's beautiful.
Oh Lord. That's really bad.
It's insane.
That's so clear. Oh wow, someone wider than me.
This is
These rocks are like so hard.
Mirrors on the wall, staring back at me. Stranger in the hall, frozen by the scene. Portraits seem to fade, he lost his centerpiece. Can't recall his face, I hope he'll rest in peace. Haunted by my mind, victim or the prey. Everything is fine, take me to...
So those are the boats that we came on, and this is what? Would this be a lagoon or is this more of a bay? Probably a bay.
I mean, it's just like the port of this island.
Yeah, but this area, see how the water goes in?
Yeah.
I would probably call it a bay, a little bay.
Yeah.
Oh, just an update. This is what it looks like. Well, we've just made it to another island, and apparently the number one attraction that they have here on this island is there's this salt lake that I have right here in front of me. And it's not as clean as the sea, but it's warmer and it's way saltier. So we're gonna jump in,
Oh wow, there's everywhere.
jump in, and then fly the drone. I want to see what the...
I really like jumping this one.
Oh, come to the shade then? Okay, no jumping in. Flying straight into flying the drone. Let's see what this place is all. It's still see-through, but maybe because of the consistency of the bottom, it is very rocky. Yeah, the color of the water is definitely not the same as it is in the sea. But oh man, it's warm. This is warm. This is, yeah, close to Dubai temperature.
No, it's really shallow.
Okay, since everyone's been sending me this video, here's my version of it. Honestly, I've been meaning to do this forever. Let's see what it's gonna look like. Welcome back to the episode of The Dumb and the Dumber. Here's me, the first brain cell, and let me introduce you to my second brain cell. Don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it.
A lot of things are closed.
We've made it back to town from the boat. Oh, super view. Damn, I like it. You can fit more, a little bit more than just my face. But anyways, the plan is for tonight. I actually like it. Why have I not been using it?
Because it's distorted when it's up close.
I don't know, but it's cool. The plan for tonight is to find a place that's gonna be loud, because tonight is the finals. England is playing versus Spain, and we're trying to find a player that's gonna be loud, that's gonna have TVs, and obviously that's gonna be busy, so we can feel the atmosphere and we can watch football with other football fans. European Championships finals. England is playing versus Spain. Man, the place is packed. And those ones have got the best spot up the top.
Excuse me.
What are the views?